Hello, my people. Hello, good morning, good evening. It depends where you're watching from. Actually, um, I just came around one news that Ghanaians are now looting and destroying the business of the Igbo people in their country. They are destroying their businesses, looting their businesses, and demanding Nigerians to leave Ghana. I don't know the reason why. Any black African countries where Nigerians or the Igbos migrated to and start developing their economy, they will turn back and start stabbing the Igbo people at the back. I hope my voice is coming out clear. If you are hearing my voice, you may let me know. So, my message this is Mirror African Television. Welcome to Mirror African TV, and I am here to discuss the affairs of the African people. You know, other black African countries have been doing this type of rubbish, like the French-speaking side of Africa have been doing this type of rubbish by destroying the business of the Nigerians operating in their own country. And their government will not say anything, nor their police or whatever, all of them will allow their citizens to go after the Nigerian people's business and properties in their own country. Upon those people has their resident permit, somebody operating with resident permit, even though the Ghanaians that are part of ECOWAS, you know, the government is supposed to guarantee the lives and properties of the other ECOWAS member states living in their own country. But allowing these rogues to move around and destroy the business of Nigerians operating in their country, asking them to leave their country after developing Ghana that can't even their cities. All of us know about the cities of Ghana before. You know, Nigerians have now developed and pushed the economy to rise up. So instead of them to cooperate more with Nigerians and allow the economy to grow for the Africa to integrate within each other, as the ECOWAS are doing today, what we are receiving now is that Ghanaians are now stabbing us at the back again. Now we should understand that nobody wants to see us. Upon that, we are the one developing and pushing up the economy of the other African countries. They do think that it's their government that are bringing the money that's circulating within the people, not knowing that it's the Nigerian money. Nigerians, South Africans are there killing Nigerians. I heard about the Kenyans also rising against Nigerians. Cameroonians have been already doing the same thing. Gabonese have been killing Nigerians and destroying their businesses. Other African French-speaking countries are doing the same thing. Now, the other people that we think that we are more brothers than all, the Ghanaians are now joining the chorus against our people, going to their marketplaces. Not that they are meeting them, they go to their marketplaces, destroy their businesses, loot the ones they can be able to loot, carry the ones they can be able to carry. No police is no police is to be seen. Nobody's arrested, nobody takes statement, nobody cares. You know. um I don't know what to say. You know, I don't know how to put it, because those that are ruling that our country called Nigeria, they are very stupid. They don't know. I don't know. They know. They have knowledge. They know something, but they are inhuman. You know, they don't value. They don't try to make their people to feel at home, more especially in their own country, because all this money, all this investment that Nigerians are carrying out, taking out to various places, if at all those businesses are being well established in Nigeria, I mean from east to north, from north to west, not trying to cope out one part of the nation and the other side should be broke. You know, I don't know how to say it. You know, we have been uh, all this suffering. I don't know how we should put it, because I think our people should start revoking against all the whole tribe that tribe. Because if these people try to destroy their business, they should come together and form Bakassi in that area to defend their business. Until African nation, until ECOWAS start talking about it. How can Now, the whole African countries are passing laws for us to have free trade, for us to open border. Free trade that will only benefit your own people and other tribes' own will be destroyed and dismantled. In short, it's good that Nigeria have not signed to that free trade or agreement because there are a lot to discuss on that matter. The way the Africans are treating Nigerians, I don't think we should go into any agreement with any African country about free trade. If Ghana will rise up against the Biafra, against the Nigerians and the Igbo people operating in their territories, I think the game is over. The game is over. We may sign free trade agreement with any other Western countries, but African countries, they should do their rubbish alone. They should do it with Chinese and do their rubbish alone. We should not get involved. You know, look at Kenya. Last time, Kenya economy is rubbish. Nigerians move into Kenya. Now Kenya is as if they are breathing. Now they are now raising their muzzles on Nigeria. Ghana, that their cities are even 1 naira to 200 million cities. You know, Nigerians have now moved into that country, help them to develop, help them to establish themselves. Nigerians are building the infrastructures. Nigerians are developing Ghana. Now, what Nigerians are receiving now is the Ghana people. The Janjaweeds in Ghana now are now coming after the Igbo people's business, destroying their business. Go to the internet and search it. Tension in Ghana as Ghanaians loot Igbo business, ask them to leave Ghana. It's headline news all over. And their police are not even doing anything. Their government haven't even uttered a word. Back home, we are being starved. Boko Haram and herdsmen are destroying. Federal government are now choking the other part of the region not to breathe. You know, I think the time has come for people to unite together and fight their way through. The time has come for people to start uniting themselves, to follow the hard way and the only way. Because the way Nigeria is today, that is how Iran was before. Go and check the history. The Iranian people were suffering during the time that the British, American oil companies are managing the affairs of Iran. Until the people suffered and suffered and suffered and said, enough is enough. We should do something now. I think Nigeria have reached that extent. What Nigerians need now is youth leaders, people, patriotic people that are ready to put things back to normal where it will suit A and B and C. Yes, then we should take over that nation and build that nation to suit us. No longer the nation to suit the big entities, the big corporations, big companies. Because if you go to South Africa, they are killing the Igbo people. If you go to Central Africa, they are killing the Igbo people. If you go to West Africa, they are massacring and destroying our people. Where are we running to? Europe? Europe is not the solution. We have to stand back and fight for better liberation. I just want to tell you people, I am not happy what Ghanaians are doing, stabbing their fellow brothers at the back. What a mess. I can still recall that it's the Nigerian government, Nigerian oil company, that find the first oil well in Ghana. You know? Okay, Togo. Okay, look, news are coming in now. They said that the same thing is happening in Togo. Now, Togo people are now going after the Igbo people. Is it Buhari and his network that are trying to destabilize the Igbo people wherever they're operating from? This may be inside work. Because as they are searching for where the fund of IPOB or Biafran affairs is coming from, they may think that it's the Igbo people doing business outside Nigeria. They are now using their Janjaweeds to go after them. It's also possible. Because you know Nigeria got to use everything in their tools to fight you. You have to see these ones as part of it, because Nigeria is like United States. They may press other countries from back to do something, or else one thing or the other will happen, and they will dance to the tune of Nigeria. Nobody is nobody's talking on our behalf. Nobody cares. A lot of Igbo people are running out to Western world. A lot. How many of them are going back? Zero. And that is the plan. To press us to run and run and run until that area will run dry. And they will just move in with their stock and now build their bed and relax. How long are we going to live in Western world already made that have repaired themselves with their blood? Western world put themselves in order with their own blood. I think we should go back home and do something. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye for now.